Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek, and in today's guide video I'm going to show you how you can join any Telegram group or channel via link. So if you want to join Telegram channel with link, you first need to make sure that you have been given the invitation link to join. So without further ado, first let us get started. First of all, what you want to do is make sure that you have the Telegram app installed on your phone. If you don't have the Telegram app installed, then simply open your Play Store and then in the search box type in Telegram. Once you type in Telegram, wait for the results to load and click on the green button which says install if you're on your Android, or if you are on your iPhone, click on the cloud-like icon to download and then verify it using your Apple ID password. So once you download and install the Telegram application on your phone, open the Telegram application and make sure that you are actually logged in. If you are not signed up on Telegram, then you will not be able to join any channel or group. So once you have downloaded and installed Telegram and that you have actually logged in, you want to make sure that you have received the link to join the Telegram channel or group. So first of all, what you want to do is open the link of the Telegram channel that you are invited to. For example, as you can see, this is one of the Telegram links of the channel which I'm invited to. So in order to join a Telegram channel via link, simply click on the Telegram channel link and then you can see that we have been taken to Telegram, and here at the bottom you can see the option to join in the blue text. Simply click on join in order to join the channel, and here you can see the confirmation that you have successfully joined this channel. Now you'll get notified of all the posts and links which the admin posts on this channel. So this is how you can join a Telegram channel via link. We hope this video was helpful to you. If it did help you in any way, then do give a like, comment and subscribe, because we are always going to bring you awesome videos like this one on our channel. As always, thank you very much for watching and see you in our next video.